You are an introvert, this is the right video for you to make some income without talking to anybody. So in this video, we're gonna jump on how to duplicate things and duplicate solutions to all the businesses without talking with them and without doing these actual meetings and these things that needs a lot of communication, and you don't have it because you are like me, introvert. You can talk, man. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a business and duplicate the things that I'm gonna show you in this process on this video of today, so you will just take this business to the next level and make some income as an introvert without doing and talking to anybody. Just duplicate the templates and put the content using ChatGPT, and then I'm gonna show you what are all the resources that you will need in this video. Just watch till the end and you will get some valuable tips and valuable informations for you. Just kickstart your web design agency right after this video. I'm a brand designer, website designer, UI UX designer, and today I'm gonna give you all the things that you will need to just make your couple $1,000. As you see on the video, today I'm gonna show you how to kickstart and start your brand on web design brand agency from today, right after this video, so you can start and like without any experience, because I'm gonna give you all the things you will need. And also there are the software that we will use today, they are free. But first thing first, you will ask me, oh my god, I didn't have clients. There is some way of, I will show you, like we will talk about how to find clients. First thing first, you will to have clients, you will just go, there are different ways. So for example, the way I prefer is go to Google Maps, click for example, search skincare California, search for the brands that they have like a bad or awful websites, or they didn't have even websites. You can just use copy their number, phone, and go to GoHighLevel using my link right down below. You will get a 14-day free trial. So GoHighLevel offered you a US-based account with a service, like you can call from the website, and I prefer to not use your own phone number, so use the number that are provided from GoHighLevel. And also today, so let's now talk about the web design thing. First thing first, I will provide you today with 5 templates, 5 different styles, 5 different industries, so you will not need to use any other template. So all the templates right here, they can work for any industry, but different criteria of the brand. For example, this one is work for a portfolio for photographer female, so you can use this retro and colorful websites. So you can just use like I will provide you with the link, so you can just go to here is it, copy project to my account, and also will appear right here. Here is it now, the website, so you can just go for example to, yes, it's like you can download Framer and use and download Open Framer, so you can download it on your website. So but how to use it, you will just go to Framer and go to the website right here, go to assets and like change colors. For example, here is it, do whatever you want. For example, right here, as you see, we can just change the color of based on the brand branding, and also change the typographies. And also there is a CMS free on this website, so you can use the free version of Framer. Here is it, as you see, I'm using the free one, and you can use the free one, and you can provide the clients with the free version, so they can pay the domain like fees and also the other things. And also there is on the templates, the second template out of these 5 templates, there is the e-commerce based template, so you can fill out a whole store, multiple product branding, e-commerce branding, using just the free version of Framer. As you see right here, the products, like the product page, you can just fill out and go to and go and use all the links, and use all the products here. For example, you can change the content and change the picture of the products, and you can like provide your clients with a multiple products business. And also to show you how the website it is, so like the website is really looking pretty good. So you can just, for example, everything is here, customize it for any type of industry. And there are still 3 other templates, but I will talk, if you want to find out how to use this template, you can just go to my link right down below. It's still 15% off the web design workflow. You will get the 5 templates, and also you can just, if you purchase this pack, you can just go to my Instagram and contact me if you didn't know how to do anything. I will respond to you. If you purchase the pack, I will respond to your messages, or just DM me about any question, any advice. I will advise you and show you the right way to do it, or like I will help you as much as I can. And also, if you didn't understand or know how to like fill out the content, as you see right here, for example, if you want to fill out these things and a lot of texts, you can just go to ChatGPT, ask them for content for this type of website industry, or just copy the other website, like the other competitors of the brand, and take their content. Go to ChatGPT, please ChatGPT, can you make something different about that and more creative, for example, and you will just go to Framer and fill out all the paragraph and text about the content that you get from ChatGPT. And also to publish it, you will just click publish, or just copy, or just like invite someone to come, like invite the client to, if he want like to get the website, or provide him with a remix link so he can get the website, and he can then do like publish the website by clicking on here. And also Framer is the most easiest like website, no code website builder out here. So use Framer and use the template, and also use my pack right here. You will get also with it a great mentoring and great like direct, like I will direct you to the right place, and also respond to you if you DM me all of my Instagram. Thank you guys. Don't forget to like provide me with the drop a like button, and also subscribe button. Thank you, and I hope you're doing a great days and a great life, and also take the action and kickstart your journey out of this thing. And anything you see, just kickstart and take the action.